To add a device to Dwarfguard, an agent software needs to be installed on that device. There are a number of ways how to achieve that. In this video, we will show how to manually install an agent on a device. Device agents can be downloaded using the Download Agent shortcut on the top right. Here in this menu, you would choose the device agent based on your device type. We will download all because we will be showing how to install any of the supported device type. Let's first have a look at Advantech router. Advantech routers do have a web interface, so we go there. And here we will install the agent like any other router app. And this device type offers also some basic web UI, so you can see, for example, the device ID assigned by the server and some other information, including logged. So let's do OpenWRT next. OpenWRT does have the web interface as well, and we can use it to install the package. We go to System Software, Upload Package, and choose the correct package. Confirm the installation, and it's there. There is no agent-specific web UI, but we can have a look at the data on the server. So far we should see two devices. They are here. One is OpenWRT and next one is Advantech router. So let's do Teltonika router next. Teltonika package is not produced by Teltonika company, so you cannot use the web interface to install it. You need to go to the command line. So we switch to the command line and first do secure copy of the package to the device. Then we connect to the device and we simply run the package management tool opkg install and file, and that's it. It is installed. So before switching back to the server, let's do the Linux device as well. So the Linux agent is a tar archive. We uncompress the file. Switch to root. And simply run the agent. And now we should have 4 devices here. We do a reload and they are here. So the agents are very similar and they report similar data. We can go to device details and have a look. There are some statistics, some details, some management functions if the agent support those functions on the device type, and then information about network and some statistics or history data which gets populated in time. Okay, so some of the device agents do have this user interface and router web UI, so you are able to browse and have a look, for example, if there is a problem, something like that. For other device types, it's not the same, but you can still use the command line. So, for example, let's look at the Linux device type, but this is the same for every device type. If you go to OPT Dwarfg, this is the main directory, you can see a number of files here, and what could be interesting to you is this file, global log, for example, which is the exact content that is displayed on the web. And what more can be interesting is basically this file, settings.ini, and in that you will see a lot of information. For example, if you are wondering what device ID is assigned to your router, you can find it here. To watch other Dwarfguard videos or find related information, follow the displayed links.